Hello everyone, Fred here. Thanks for stopping back to the Camping Family channel. Today I thought I would come out and work on the rear camera mount with that AMTIFO backup camera, or the rear view camera. So I got the ladder out. Let's go take a look and see what see what we're doing here. So up here, the flare came with a camera on the old system, and just looking at it, they tied it up to under this light, and there's a grommet right here. So what I'm going to do is get these off, take this housing off, see what's underneath, and then expose this wire with this grommet. All I need is 12 volt power, but this, I'm sure this had 12 volt coming to it, but it came through the monitor up front, the old system, and without that there, I don't know how I'm going to get to that 12 volt, because I took that monitor down, and that's what controlled it. So I think what I'm going to do is pull this through and see what we have that, and then I might just pop off this light and then just run 12 volt down here. But I want to get this cover off first and see what we have. So that's the next step. Alright, so I've decided I'm just going to mount it down here. I pulled off the grommet. This is what was attached. This is what was attached to the, there was another piece inside here to this camera. So there's the connector there. It's like a 4-pin connector. Grommet. As you can see, that light is riveted, not screwed. So I managed to pop this off from the inside, tucked it under. What I want to try to do is see how much wire I can get out of here. Let's see if these wires are labeled. My luck, they are not. So we're gonna have to figure out which one's positive and negative. Oh, that makes it kind of easier. If I get off the electrical tape, you got one red and one black. Alright. Here's a little close-up of it. So I'm going to pop that electrical tape off. That's going to help our cause. And then we'll kind of go from there. And then what I'm going to do is cut this off. Pull the grommet off. And this I'm just going to cut. Yep. So that's the next step. Alright, a little bit of an update. Started tying in to the power. I trimmed them back and got some wire ties. So we'll just use wire ties now that I can tell which one's the power, or the positive and negative. We're in pretty good shape, so it's just a matter of tying them in, and then we'll tuck everything back up under there and go from there. That's where we're at. I also took the grommet off. Grommet's right here, full of silicone, so we'll clean that out and reuse and go from there. Alright, little update. Alright, finishing up out here. Yeah, I've done some steps since the last update. Pre-drilled my holes here, marked them with a Sharpie, pre-drilled, siliconed, mounted the camera. This is going to sit right here for now. I'm not sure how we're going to secure that. Project for another day. I tied into the power up at the top. No problems. Put the grommet on. So that is all sealed up. Light cover back on. And it works. I did a test. So we're in good shape out here. Let's go in and take a look at that monitor. See what it looks like. Okay, we are inside the rig. Let's bring up the monitor. Right now I have it just on this supplied 12 volt cigarette lighter adapter. No signal. I'll turn on the lights. Bingo! We now have a rear view camera. That is HD. I don't remember the resolution, but it is crystal clear on here. And you can see it is recording. This also does record, so it is somewhat of like a dash cam. And we're good to go. Any questions, just leave below. Like, subscribe for future videos. Alright everyone, thanks for stopping by. See you on the next one.